numbers there. All right, so yeah, so that was quite a bit left, right? So what did you feel there?
I just feel like the face is just like I can't get it to be square at impact. Like if it doesn't matter if I'm back, forward, just it's always going.
Right. So and it's interesting. So if we look at the numbers, your face was actually fairly decent there. It's just a couple degrees closed, which is actually what we're looking for. Whereas before it was about 6 to 7 degrees closed with a stronger grip. What's kind of interesting to me is seeing your path numbers, which are still severely negative, which means you're still swinging to the left. So go ahead and set up to one again. So what we need to do, and this is common, so if we weaken the grip, right? So go ahead and take it, exaggerate the weak grip, so really on top. So you see how it changes the position of the arm and the shoulder here.
Right.
So what sometimes tends to happen if we over exaggerate the weak grip is as you start coming back, we start coming back too steep, exactly, yeah, too far straight back and up, right? Rather than if we're trying to get the path going from in to out, we need to be a little bit more shallower in the backswing, right? So let's take this back just a touch. So not quite as strong as you were. So a little bit, yeah, good, right? And when you take the club back, here, let me show you real quick. So when you take the club back this time, so if you'd imagine like a parallel line here. So instead of feeling like you're taking the club back kind of parallel with that line, or even kind of up and crossing it this way, I want you to feel like you're kind of coming a little more back, like shallow, and kind of inside to the.
So more like a round.
Yeah, more of a rounded backswing instead of coming straight back like this. Because the straighter back you come here, the higher the hands are going to be here, and unless you really reroute the club on the way down, the tendency is to kind of
Stay out.
is to come down and left.
Okay.
Does that make sense? All right, let's give it a shot. How'd that feel?
Felt a lot better. Felt like I was way more square, and you could almost even tell like where the ball hit on the net that it started farther right.
That's what I'm talking about.